Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, backup camera, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, clock, trip computer, trip odometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.